What is abacus? Abacus is the oldest method to solve mathematical problems easily in few seconds. What is abacus pose? Divider. Divider is the main thing of abacus. How many parts in a abacus? What are they? There are 7 parts in abacus too. They are frame, divider, upper part, lower part, rod, beads and pointer. How many rods in your abacus tool? My abacus tool has 17 rods. What is rods? Rods are the bone of abacus. What is pointer? Pointer are in wide but its middle point started the number value. What is beads? Beads are used for adding value. How many beads in your abacus tool? My abacus tool has 85 beads. What is the another name of divider? Value bar. What is the main work of divider? The main work of divider is adding value. Write and solve the math. First, 23 plus 26 minus 5 equal 44. B. 50 plus 75 minus 6 plus 75, 194. C. 26 plus 26 minus 6 equal 46. D. 72 plus 92 minus 9 equal 173. Where abacus made by? Abacus made by first Chinese and after Japanese. What is value of one's upper part bead? 5. What is value of one's lower part bead? 4. What is value of total value of all bead? 9. Write the full form of abacus. A for abundant, B for beads, A for addition, C for calculation, U for unit, S for subtraction. What is a abacus trough? Mean frame. Flame is the cloth of abacus. Write word finger joint and what is it? 1 for needle, 2 for scissor, 3 for wicket, 4 for brother, 5 for giant, 6 for pistol, 7 for gun, 8 for crab, 9 for paper, 0 for rock. Which is called abacus bag? Bag rounded square. Who invented abacus? Multiple Asian culture. Which is called abacus cloth? Frame. Write 1 to 9 all friend. One's friend is 9, 2's friend is 8, 3's friend is 7, 4's friend is 6, 5's friend is 5, 6 friend is 4, 7 friend is 3, 8 friend is 2, 9 friend is 1. Write brick made. A. 25 minus 7 plus 6 plus 75 minus 65 equal 34. B. 21 plus 6 minus 8 minus 1 plus 65 plus 92. Which is the color of abacus? Black and red. Divider divide to how many parts? What are they? 2 parts, upper and lower part. Next for part 2.